Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to draw a beautiful Christmas tree step by step in a super easy way. So, take your pencil and let's make this festive drawing together with joy and love. So, guys, and our lovely Christmas tree is ready. I hope you enjoyed this easy drawing with me. If you like it, don't forget to give a like, okay? Share and subscribe for more simple and fun drawings. Sending you lots of love and festive cheer. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.